Our next presenter is Mr. Ammar Mirza, and Mr. Ammar, his presentation title is Automatic Arabic Text Categorization Using Artificial Neural Network. Okay, please welcome with me, Mr. Ammar. Where is Mr. Ammar? Please come.
Good afternoon, everybody. My topic today about automatic Arabic text categorization using artificial neural networks. Just an introduction about my topic. Text categorization is the task or the process to determine the category of unclassified text automatically from a predefined set of categories. So it's a process an automated process to categorize text from predefined set of categories. Okay, for TC, there are a lot of benefits for this TC Arabic text classification. One of them that for the for TC Arabic, there are many classifications for Arabic. One of them it's topic. One of them is topic crawling. Even we can metadata processing. The digital Arabic content has increased significantly in the last 10 years, which require improving the processing methods in order to access this content easily. Text categorization, as we discussed, is a task to determine the categories of unclassified text from a predefined text of categories. TC application, we have a lot of application for text classification. Text, one of them, topic identification, topic indexing, document filtering, and even metadata organization. Even another aspects or benefits of using this text categorization, what my friend Muhammad has said, spam filtering. Some of them, they said that spam filtering is part of that one. Online news events, searching, information retrieval. Why TC for Arabic language? The efforts on TC work have been allocated to automatic classification on English and Latin text, other languages. Researchers paid little interest for investigating TC approaches in classifying Arabic text, despite the fact that Arabic text is on the 7th language of the United States, and there are 400 million native Arabic speakers. The research domain for this one, for text categorization, it combines of 3 different fields or subdomains of artificial intelligence. One of them, the information retrieval. Another one is natural language processing, and the third one, machine learning. Each part there are different processes involved in this section. For example, information retrieval, how we retrieve Arabic text, in which format, in which representation. Natural language processing for Arabic specifically, how we represent that word. For example, what's the type of pre-processing step that we can do for this word. And for machine learning, it's applying for the classifier or the algorithms that apply for the text classification. There are a lot of algorithms for used in machine learning. Here, the related literature, as we see that there are different aspects in the current literature of research. One of them, there are different researchers tackle this topic from in the last 10 years. There are different aspects for this one. For example, the data set, the corpus, the genre, it's a news, for example, for the news websites or even books or other things. The number of documents, the classes that has been applied for them, the pre-processing steps has been done, the training sets, the weights of the training set, even the feature selection and feature representation algorithms, the classification algorithms, even the accuracy, the performance of this classifier. For example, the information, there are 3 ways of measuring the accuracy of this one. Recall, precision, F-measure, which for recall, for example, how relevant the data or the result. For the precision, how relevant. For the recall, what's that data that's being retrieved. Even for F-measure, it's accuracy. It's between the recall, the summation of recall and the precision. In the current literature, as we see that they applied different algorithms for this one. One of them, the naive Bayes, even they use decision trees, even the space vector machines. For the feature selection, also there are different methods, chi-square, for example. For feature weighting, there is term frequency. There is different methods or algorithms for attacking this subject. Here the problem, as I read a lot of literature related to this topic, there are a lot of gaps in this. For example, in Arabic content growth, there is rapid increase of online Arabic document, which needs some processing. There are a lack of research in Arabic text classification. There are a few research papers for Arabic TC using especially ANN. Another problem that the complexity of the complex morphology of Arabic language. Another aspect is the technological advancements in machine learning and artificial neural networks in English language. It's not applied on Arabic till now. One of the points is the lack of standard Arabic morphological analysis tools. There is little open source or available tools for analysis. Even the data set is not available. The lack of availability of publicly free accessible Arabic corpora. My objectives is for this topic to investigate the appropriate Arabic text pre-processing techniques and to investigate the different methods for feature selection and feature representation. Another thing is to find appropriate Arabic corpus dataset for the training and testing phases. Also, I need to investigate different types of artificial neural networks and find the appropriate one. And to implement the AN classifier and other classifiers. The scope of this research is limited to applying ANN classifier on Arabic text. And it will not include a comparison for pre-processing steps, algorithms, or feature representation algorithms. In this slide, this is the methodology or the phases that I will do in my research. First, the research and the survey, data collection using the current websites and news articles existing. Second step is text processing using, for example, removing stopwords in Arabic digits, diacritics, using light stemming or root stemming. And for feature representation, there are different ways of doing this for character level 2 gram or 3 gram or 4 gram or n-gram or bag of words. And for feature selection, there are different algorithms. There are different algorithms, for example, term features, term frequency, chi-square, document frequency, information gains. The second phase is for applying artificial neural network. It's implementation of that classifier, even the testing for that classifier, and the UI design for that application. The second phase is applying the other classifier, and then evaluating and comparing the results of these classifiers. The research design here is just for quantitative approach as described, data sets from Al Jazeera. Development tools will be Python and TensorFlow library. For application UI, I will use ASP.NET MVC. For the holding code is GitHub, and hosting will be AWS Amazon services. And here a tentative schedule for the research as described.